In under 60 seconds, you can train ChatGPT to write exactly in your style. No plugins, no paid upgrades. Watch this. The first response is generic and free flowing. And for the second instruction, the response looks structured in the way the examples are. Why does this happen? Without examples, you are asking AI to search every possible way to answer. With examples, you guide it toward a specific style, structure, and focus. That's the power of zero shot versus few shot prompting. And today you will learn exactly how to use both to get better results. If you have followed along in this series, you already know what a prompt is. It's your instruction to the AI. But here is the thing. The same AI can give you wildly different answers depending on whether you give it no examples or just a couple of really good ones. In AI terms, a short is just an example you give the model to learn from. Zero shot prompting means asking the AI to do something with no examples at all. You are relying entirely on the pre trained knowledge. For this prompt, the AI is doing its best using what it knows. It gives me a joke, which might not match my comedy style because it doesn't know me. Zero shot works best when the task is straightforward, like translations, definitions, summarizing factual info. You don't need a very specific style or format, and you are exploring what the model already knows. But zero shot prompting can be too generic for niche or expert level work, and it often misses domain specific nuances. Being specific in your zero shot prompt can be a key to get better results. Now let's see what happens when you give examples. Few shot prompting is like giving the AI a mini training session inside your prompt. You show it how you want something done before asking it to do it for your case. In this prompt, with those two examples, you are not just telling the AI what to write, you are teaching it your format, tone, and expectations. AI will follow the pattern present in your examples. And when you give a single example, it becomes one shot prompting. Here is a side by side summary of both techniques. The setup effort for zero shot is low because you only tell AI what to do. And in few shot, it's higher because accurate examples need to be created. Then, accuracy is expected to be higher in few shot when there is a structure that LLM needs to follow. But if the task is straightforward like quick Q&A or translations, zero shot might be what you need. So here is the takeaway. Zero shot is your quick, no prep tool for straightforward tasks. Few shot is your precision tool for highly specific tasks. And in the next video, I will show you how to make the AI actually think through a problem step by step using chain of thought prompting.